Hi Barbie dolls! I'm AZUSA Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video.
Now I'm in my Barbie kitchen. You know, I have like the Barbie's cutest kitchen, but look, here it's not pretty. It's just like a regular tile. I just want to try to paint these kitchen tiles.
Okay, so the DIY shirt, as always, I don't just paint in one color, but I'm gonna paint like checker. Lighter part, I'm using pink proposal, and the darker part, I'm using Kiss Goodnight. You know how much lazy I am. You know what? I don't even put masking tape this time. Start from lighter color. Using foam brush, like a sponge foam brush. Oh, I forgot to tell you, do not ask Ken. We can do this Barbie dolls. Nothing special. I'm just painting. I was too lazy to put masking tape. I'm just be careful when I paint the edge. This is exactly why I love foam brush, because even the corner, it's easy. Oh my god. This is pretty fun actually. While I'm drawing the lighter pink, I'm gonna paint darker one. I love this color. I love it. These are cute. I think these are really cute. Oh my god, I'm excited. I love this already. Kawaii! めっちゃ可愛い! Oh my gosh, I love these tiles. Today I'm only painting this part. I have another half. Actually, my kitchen has more tiles over there, but if I paint rest of them, I cannot come into the fridge. So today I'm only doing this part. Let it dry and then I will paint the second coat. Look, I painted the second coat and now it's dry. It looks really cute. I'm so proud of these two color combo. Make sure you wear the mask and put the ventilation and open the window and everything. So the clear coat is finally dried. So far it looks perfect. I love it. So I want to paint the rest of my kitchen tiles, but the clear spray, it smells pretty bad. I mean, because my room is so small, my whole apartment smells like really bad. Like I was about to get sick. I don't think I should use that stuff. Okay, let's start painting rest of them. Now the paint is dry and I'm gonna put some clear coat. This time I'm gonna use this. I'm applying with foam brush. Look those. Now it's dry. I'm so happy with this result. I just love my kitchen. I mean, even more. Oh my god, I love my kitchen. I'm gonna lay down. I feel like I just want to hang out in my kitchen all day, whole day. They look glossy. I just love it.
Love, love, love.
Cuter, right? Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have fantastic Barbie day. Bye.